Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome back to Garden Ideas. In this video, we will learn how to grow bougainvillea from cutting and also how to get maximum flower on a cutting. We will also learn how to join two bougainvillea together. It is a type of grafting, but joining two plants will make our success rate successful, and it is a type of experiment which you will see in this video. Let us start the video by growing bougainvillea cutting. You have to choose more than 5 to 6 cuttings so that we can get result, as bougainvillea cutting is harder to grow in other season. In rainy season we can get 80 to 90% result, but in other season we will get only 30 to 40% result. So try to grow more and more cuttings. Remove all the leaves from your bougainvillea cutting so that we can get 100% result, as leaf will give more stress to our bougainvillea cutting. You have to go for loose soil mix which will allow your bougainvillea cutting to root. For that you have to select 30% sand and 70% coco peat. This will allow more moisture in soil mix and it will allow your cutting to grow. We can use rooting hormone for our cutting so that we can get maximum result. For that, mix a spoon of rooting hormone in water and keep all the cutting in that water for few minutes to half an hour. Mix your soil mix very well and select the pot with maximum drainage hole so that no water logging can kill your bougainvillea cutting with fungus. Give water in your soil mix so that cutting does not feel dry out when planted. Apply rooting hormone to your cutting and then grow your bougainvillea cutting in that soil mix. Try to keep bougainvillea cutting in shady location away from direct sunlight so that they can grow easily. Maintain moisture in soil mix and don't try to move your bougainvillea cutting, otherwise new fibrous root will get damaged and your cutting may die. We can also grow bougainvillea cutting in water, as you can see here new small leaf, and also we can see some of the white color roots, but this experiment was very new for me and hoping for best result. Soon I will upload a particular video on this, but now you can see white color dots, they will turn into small fibrous roots. Here we can see our success rate. After 20 to 25 days you will get this type of growth. Some of your cutting may grow leaves, some of your cutting may grow flower, and at that point you can separate them or you can wait for further more growth. You can check other cuttings by using knife or any sharp tool. If you see green part, then your cutting is healthy and it will grow roots with some time. After 45 days we can see the result. Our bougainvillea cutting is growing as well as it is flowering, and reason behind this is good soil mix. At this point we can remove our bougainvillea cutting and you can find that some of your bougainvillea cutting may die and some of will grow. Let us check the roots of bougainvillea cutting, how much our soil mix help bougainvillea to grow its fibrous roots. Our bougainvillea cutting has grown so many fibrous roots. Now it's time to repot it with new soil mix and with lots of nutrients. New soil mix for our bougainvillea cutting will be normal garden soil for 70%, 10% for vermicompost, or you can use decomposed cow dung, and rest of the 20% will be sand, or you can use that same soil mix that you have used earlier. With new soil mix we can use same pot. Let us grow our bougainvillea cutting. Maintain moisture in soil mix so that cutting can grow easily. Try to give water on daily basis and keep your cutting away from direct sunlight. Now let us learn how to join two bougainvillea together. For that we require two bougainvillea plant, or we can use two bougainvillea cutting of different flower. For joining both bougainvillea plant or cutting, we have to remove soil mix so that we can tie their roots and the stem together. This process is very simple, just we have to use a decomposable thread or rope and tie them together. Choose well-drained soil mix, also soil mix with full of nutrients. This will allow your bougainvillea plant to give maximum flower. Now we can grow them together. Maintain moisture in soil and allow your plant to grow very well in shady location. Don't allow direct sunlight to fall on your bougainvillea plant. After 25 days, we can see the result, and our both plant are healthy and also producing different shade of flowers. So hope you friend learned something new from this video. Please you can also try to join two bougainvillea together and also try to grow bougainvillea cutting and get enormous amount of flower. If you love this video, please hit subscribe button and also like this video so that you can motivate me and I can make more videos.